Hi boys and girls, one of the coolest things you can do this spring is to keep a bird journal, to observe the birds that come to your house and to keep notes on them and sketches on them. And today we're going to talk about how to make a neat bird feeder, actually two. If you decide to do a bird journal, things you can record in your journal would be the bird's name, the date that you saw the bird, what the weather was like, if it was a male or female, the location, the diet, what it was eating, and of course a sketch. But anyway, let's first talk about how we can use a toilet paper roll tube to make a really easy bird feeder. First of all, one of the things that birds love is peanut butter. Peanut butter is very nutritious. It's high in fat, and birds need stored fat, so a lot of different birds like peanut butter. For instance, my favorite bird is the black-capped chickadee, and they love peanut butter. Woodpeckers also love peanut butter, and it's got a lot of nutrients for them. Wrens, nuthatches, blue jays. And I have a bunch of bird feeders, and as you can hear, I also have a dog named Bailey, and he loves to watch the birds outside of the bird feeders. So once you coat your entire toilet paper tube in peanut butter, then you can roll it in bird seed. And I have some other options for you if you don't feel like getting some bird seed. Birds also like cut up apples, bananas, raisins, so you can use those things too instead of bird seed. What you're going to do is roll the tube in the bird seed until just about all the peanut butter is covered. Okay, I'm going to get a napkin. Then you're going to get any kind of string or a piece of yarn and cut a long piece. This is going to be long enough to go through the tube and long enough for you to tie and then hang up in one of your trees. You simply put the string or the yarn through the tube and then tie it at the top and hang that from any branch of the tree. Okay? And once again, they love peanut butter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make another simple bird feeder. And this one is going to be made out of an egg carton. So when you have the egg carton, open it up and cut off the lid. Okay, and then cut off this tab. And maybe use 6 egg holes for your feeder. I'm going to cut mine just a little longer than 6. Now, my egg carton already has some holes in it, and if yours doesn't, just get maybe help from your parents making 2 holes somewhere in the bird feeder. This is where you're going to put your string. Or a piece of yarn. And then you will just fill this and hang it from one of the branches. So you can use some of your bird seed to put into the feeder. But like I said, if you do not want to buy bird seed, that's fine. You can use pieces of apple cut up very small. Bluebirds, cardinals, red-bellied woodpeckers really like pieces of apple. We have a lot of bluebirds around the Owatton campus because we have a lot of bluebird houses. Let's see, bananas. If you cut up pieces of bananas really small. Cardinals really like bananas. Of course, you have to remove the peel. Next, you can also use little pieces of cooked pasta, but it has to be pre-cooked so it's soft, and then maybe cut it up into small pieces. Let's see. Raisins. Raisins are loved by bluebirds, cardinals, mockingbirds, robins, and woodpeckers too. But like I said, the peanut butter is very nutritious for the birds, and black-capped chickadees are my favorite, and they love peanut butter. So you can hang this up from your branch and then watch the birds that it attracts and keep a journal noting the weather, maybe do a sketch. I'm also including in the lesson this week a YouTube video of common Pennsylvania birds, and the video has also sound, and you can hear the sounds that they make. So bird watching is an excellent way to increase your observation skills and also journaling and sketching skills. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.